boys, in the last period we have discussed nomenclature of alcohols, and now here next part in case of alcohols, that is preparation of alcohols. That is, we are going to discuss here different methods for the preparation of alcohols. So in that case, first of all, first method here, that is from alkyl halides. This method, this reaction already we have studied in last topic, alkanes. There we have studied in chemical reactions, that is action of aqueous alkali on alkyl halides. Now here we are discussing in preparation. So again, once again I will revise this reaction. So how this alcohol is obtained? By using alkyl halides. That is here, these alkyl halides here, they are void with aqueous alkali. Aqueous alkali, for example, aqueous KOH or aqueous NaOH. Condition, that is aqueous condition, that is the alkali is dissolved in water. And again here there is condition, that is we have to carry heating here, condition, heat or coil condition. So what happens here, that is when alkyl halide is heated with aqueous KOH, it undergo alkaline hydrolysis, and so here this is actually nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here, that is this nucleophile, it is replaced, that is halide ion, it is replaced by hydroxy ion, and so here this formation of this alcohol takes place. Here alcohol plus again byproduct, that is potassium and halide ions, they will react and forms here potassium halide. So in this way we can obtain here this alcohol by using alkyl halide. That is alkyl halide when heated with aqueous potassium hydroxide undergo alkaline hydrolysis to form alcohol. Again there is another method here, alternative. Instead of aqueous alkali, you can also use here moist silver oxide. So by using moist silver oxide, again we can obtain here alcohol by using alkyl halide. See here, I will show reaction. That is, consider this is alkyl halide. So alkyl halide when heated with moist silver oxide, here formation of here this silver hydroxide takes place. Here we have to write condition, that is moist silver oxide, that is silver oxide suspended in water here, and again heating condition is here. So what happens? Again alkyl halide undergo nucleophilic substitution, that is halo group, it is replaced by hydroxyl group, and so formation of again here this, that is alcohol takes place here. Plus now byproduct here it is, that is formation of silver halide. So question will be asked here, how will you prepare, that is for example ethyl alcohol by using ethyl bromide. So ethyl bromide when heated with aqueous KOH, here it gives ethyl alcohol, or you can alternatively you can write this reaction also, that is ethyl bromide when heated with moist silver oxide, it gives ethyl alcohol. So in this way already we have studied this reaction, that is by using alkyl halide. Is it clear? Okay. Now here we will discuss next preparation method. Next preparation method, that is from alkenes. Here next preparation method, that is from alkenes, and this reaction it is also known as the hydration of alkenes. This reaction also already we have discussed in 11th year, that is in topic hydrocarbons. In that alkenes, in the chemical reaction of alkenes, already we have studied this reaction, hydration of alkenes. That is here, hydration of alkenes means that is the addition of water molecule with alkenes to form an alcohol is called hydration of alkenes. That means what we do here, that is water molecule is added with alkenes here. Water molecule is added with alkenes, but direct addition of water molecule does not take place. So how addition takes place? That is, first of all, these alkenes, they are treated with cold and concentrated sulfuric acid. Then formation of alkyl hydrogen sulfate takes place, and that intermediate alkyl hydrogen sulfate, it is then further heated with water. Then addition of water molecule takes place and formation of alcohol takes place. Again I will revise this reaction. I will take one example here. That is, for example, consider here this. We have taken alkene, say here this ethene. Now this ethene, this is treated with cold and concentrated sulfuric acid. I will write in this way H, next O, SO3, H, sulfuric acid, and condition here, that is, you have to take here this concentrated, condition that is concentrated, and again another condition, that is the reaction it is carried out in cold condition here. Reaction it is carried out in cold condition. Now what happens here, that is, this is the addition type of reaction here, but here the alkene is symmetrical, and so here, that is, the Markovnikov's rule is not applied there. Directly you have to add both the reagents here, that is electrophile and nucleophile. So consider here, that is, we will show here, that is how addition takes place. So consider here, that is again this double bond, it is converted to single bond here, and so here this, for example, consider here there is addition of hydrogen takes place, and here there is addition of this hydrogen sulfate, that is SO3, H, that is formation of here this ethyl hydrogen, ethyl group, this is ethyl group, and on ethyl group hydrogen sulfate is added, so it is ethyl hydrogen sulfate. So this intermediate is formed here, ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Now next step, what we have to do here, that is this ethyl hydrogen sulfate here, that is, it is further heated with water here, that is, this is further heated with water, heating condition here, and so what happens, now this step, this is nucleophilic substitution reaction. What happens here, this hydrogen sulfate here, it is replaced by hydroxyl ion, and so here this formation of, that is, this compound takes place, that is formation of this ethyl alcohol plus, again here H plus, it will react, and so here this formation of this sulfuric acid. So in this way we can obtain here this, that is ethyl alcohol by the hydration of alkenes here, hydration of ethene here. Now here consider, we will take another example again here, that is, we will take this example, that is, for example, consider here this unsymmetrical alkene, say propene. Now again here this, when this propene, it is treated with again this cold and concentrated sulfuric acid, here condition, that is same cold condition, and sulfuric acid, that is going to take here concentrated. Now what happens here? Now this is unsymmetrical alkene. This is unsymmetrical reagent. So here addition takes place according to Markovnikov's rule. That means hydrogen sulfate negatively charged reagent, it will get added on that carbon atom of double bond which carries less number of hydrogen atoms. And so negative reagent will get added on this carbon atom here. And so here this formation of again, that is we will obtain this compound. Here there is addition of this hydrogen sulfate takes place, and so here this formation of this compound, that is here isopropyl group. So name of this is isopropyl hydrogen sulfate, intermediate. Now next what we have to do here, this isopropyl hydrogen sulfate, this is then further heated with again water here, heating condition. Now what happens? This group, it is replaced by OH here, and so here this formation of, that is this compound takes place. That is formation of isopropyl alcohol plus again here byproduct, that is sulfuric acid. So in this way we can obtain here this isopropyl alcohol, that is by using propene. Question is asked here, most important this reaction for the board, as far as board is considered here, that is how many times question is asked here, how will you prepare propane to OAR by using propene here, or sometimes here, that is you have to identify A and B, that is here it is given A, here it is given B, and so you have to identify A and B from the following reaction. So this is the preparation of, that is propane to OAR. Now generally by using this hydration reaction we can obtain only secondary and tertiary alcohols. Generally primary alcohols, that is exceptional, only this ethyl alcohol is obtained here. Now in case of tertiary alcohols, here what happens, that is for example consider here this, we will take this example, that is consider here this I have taken alkene, that is isobutene here. Now here, that is what happens here, that is direct addition of water molecule takes place here. That is there is no necessity of this first addition of sulfuric acid and then hydration, because the reactivity of this alkene it is greater here. And so what happens here, direct addition of water molecule takes place. That means for example consider here this, only condition is here that the reaction it is again carried out in presence of acid. That is we have to take here 50% sulfuric acid, or we can write here just H plus here. So when isobutylene is treated with water in presence of 50% sulfuric acid, direct addition of water molecule takes place here. That means these reagents are formed here, H plus, again this OH minus. So reaction takes place according to Markovnikov's rule. Negative reagent, it will get added on this carbon atom here containing less number of hydrogen, and this it will get added on, that is electrophile, it will get added on this carbon atom. So here this, that is formation of this alcohol takes place again here, that is formation of tertiary alcohol takes place here, formation of tertiary alcohol here, that is this alcohol is formed here. here in case of for preparation of tertiary alcohols, we have to carry direct hydration here. Direct addition of water molecule. Only condition that is the reaction it must be carried out in presence of 50% sulfuric acid. Acid it acts as a catalyst in this reaction. This reaction it is also called acid catalyzed hydration reaction, because here this acid which we have taken here it acts as a catalyst here. Okay, is it clear? So this is most important reaction, preparation of alcohols here. Now next here, that is in our syllabus there is a mechanism of this reaction is there. So here now we will discuss the mechanism of this reaction. Most important it is question is asked, long question is asked here, that is explain the mechanism of hydration of alkenes here. So we will discuss here, that is how this reaction actually takes place here. So consider here, that is now mechanism it is in 3 steps mechanism of this hydration of alkenes. We will discuss one by one here. First step here it is protonation. First step protonation. What happens here? Directly I will take here example to explain the mechanism. So for example consider here this. We will take this alkene say ethene. Now what happens here? First consider that is the reaction starts. So what happens? That is we have used here acid catalyst here, sulfuric acid and water. So what happens here? That is this water it reacts with proton here. As you know this reaction protonation of water, that is formation of again here this, that is hydronium ion takes place. The formation of hydronium ion. Now what happens here? In the first step, this hydronium ion it reacts with this alkene here. That is consider this is hydronium ion here. So this hydronium ion it reacts with I will show by this. Now what happens? That is addition of proton takes place here on this alkene in the first step. And so here that is formation of this compound takes place. That is here consider this is here, it is carbon atom, and on this carbon atom already present this 2 hydrogen, double bond it is converted to single bond, again here this containing hydrogen, and here that is this proton gets added here, and this carbon it will acquire positive charge here. It is the pi bonded are shifted on this direction here. So this is the first step, that is the protonation here. Now second step it is the attack of nucleophile. Second step it is the attack of nucleophile. So what happens here? That is consider this is the here, that is the water molecule we have taken here, it acts as a nucleophile here, and so this water molecule nucleophile it will attack on this intermediate carbonium ion here, and so here that is what happens again, that is here this shared pair of electrons they are used here in the bond formation, and so here this formation of that is nucleophile water molecule attack on this intermediate carbonium ion, and so formation of this that is the set addition product takes place. Now third step here, that is already here proton is added in the first step. So third step, that is deprotonation. So what we are to do here, third step, that is deprotonation step here. In case of deprotonation step, again I will show here how this deprotonation takes place. Again here, that is so here what happens now, that is in this step here, that is proton is removed here, it is proton, it is removed here. Now here this proton, it is removed here, and so shared the electrons that it will remain on oxygen, and so here this formation of, that is again here this, the final product is formed here, that is formation of ethyl alcohol plus here it is formation of, that is again hydronium ion, that is H plus it will react with water and form this hydronium ion. So in this way here the mechanism, it is in 3 steps. How you have to keep in mind mechanism, there are 3 steps. First it is protonation, that is the proton is added here. Second step, attack of nucleophile, here nucleophile it attack on this, form the intermediate carbonium, and third step it is deprotonation. Here I have written here already, this is first step protonation, second step it is the attack of nucleophile, and third step it is deprotonation here. So in this way, this is very important mechanism, that is question is asked here, explain the mechanism of accretion of alkenes. For 3 marks you have to correctly write all these 3 steps here. Is it clear? Understand? That is the mechanism of hydration reaction.